So good morning everyone. So today we will start our exercise example problems. That is example 14. So what is the question? A shopkeeper bought a TV for 9,000 and sold it for 10,000. He bought for 9,000 and sold for 10,000. Find the profit or loss, calculate percentage. So how much profit he got or how much loss he got, and also we have to find the percentage for that. Okay, so here what is I bought, a shopkeeper bought is nothing but CP value, cost price. So what is the cost price? Cost price of TV is how much? 9,000. He bought for 9,000 rupees and sold for how much rupees? That is 10,000. Sold is nothing but selling price. Is how much? 10,000 rupees. He bought for 9,000 and he sold for 10,000. So in this case, selling price is greater than cost price. So what is that? Selling price is greater than cost price. So selling price is greater than cost price means he is getting gain there. So what is the formula for gain? That is SP minus CP. So what is that? SP minus CP. What is SP value? 10,000 minus what is CP value? That is 9,000. So what is the gain he got? That is 1,000 rupees. How much gain amount he got? That is 1,000 rupees. Now we have to find what is the percentage of that gain we have to find. So what is the percentage of gain here? How to find the gain percentage? Gain by CP into 100. So gain percentage is equals to what is the gain value? 1,000 by what is the CP value? 9,000 into 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So gain percentage is how much? 100 by 9. Now you divide this 100 by 9. 100 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Again 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9 and so on. It is non-terminating decimal. So here what is the percentage? 11.1% he got the gain. Okay. So once again see this, cost price of TV is 9,000. Selling price of TV is 10,000. Here in this case selling price is greater than cost price. So the gain value will be SP minus CP. Here SP value is 10,000. CP value is 9,000. So 10,000 minus 9,000 will be equals to 1,000 rupees. Okay. So what is the gain percentage? Gain by CP into 100. So gain value is 1,000. CP value is 9,000 into 100. Now 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. What is the remaining value? 100 by 9. If you divide this 100 with 9, the value is how much? 11.1%. So he got 11.1% of gain. Okay, so this is our example 14. Next is example 15. Example 15. So what is example 15 here? Suppose a person buys an article for 650 and gains 6% on it. After selling that, he got 6% or percentage of gain. Find the selling price. So you have to find the selling price here. So what is cost price here? Cost price of an article is cost price of article is 650 rupees. And how much gain he got? Gain is 6%. Now what we have to find? We have to find the selling price. What we have to find? We have to find the selling price. So which formula we will use? That is selling price in terms of gain we have to find. What is the formula for selling price in terms of gain? That is SP is equals to CP into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. So this is a formula for selling price in terms of gain. So what is the formula? SP is equals to CP into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. So SP is equals to, what is the CP value? That is 650 into what is 100 plus how much gain he got? That is 6% by 100. Okay, now SP is equals to 650 into 100 plus 6 will be 106 by 100. Now 0 0 will get cancelled. I am cancelling in 5 table. 5 2s are 5, 13s are 65, and in these two cases I am cancelling in 2 table. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. So what is the selling price? That is 13 into 53. So multiply this 13 into 53. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 1 5s are 5. So that will be 689 rupees. So selling price is how much? 689 rupees. So he bought for 650 and he sold for how much rupees? That is 689 rupees. So he got how much gain here? That gain is 6%. Now next example. Example 16. So what is the question? Ramesh sold a DVD player for 2,800 with the gain of 12%. They have given the selling price. Selling price is how much? 2,800 and gain is how much? 12%. For how much did he buy it? We have to find the cost price here. So selling price is what here? Selling price of DVD player is how much? 2,800 rupees. After selling that, how much gain he got? He gain of 12%. He got the gain of 12%. Now what we have to find? We have to find the CP value. Okay, CP is equals to CP I am taking, and which formula we will use? We will use CP in terms of gain. What is the formula for CP in terms of gain? That is CP is equals to SP into 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percentage. Gain or profit both will be same. So what is the formula? CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percentage. So CP is equals to 100 into, what is the SP value? SP value is 2,800 by 100 plus what is the gain value? That is 12. Now CP is equals to 100 into 2,800 we have to multiply. So that will be 2,80,000 by 100 plus 12 will be 112. Now in which table can we cancel? 2 plus 1, 3, 4. We can cancel in 2 table, or you can do in 4 table also. So in 4 table, 4 2s are 8, 32. 32 means it will go in 4 8s. So it is 28. And here 4 7s are 28, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0 and 4 zeros are 0. So again we can cancel in 7 table now. 7 1s are 7, 7 zeros are 7 zeros are 7 zeros are 7 zeros are 7 4s are. Now we can cancel in 4 table. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 2 will be remaining. 4 5s are 20. 4 zeros are 4 zeros. So what is the selling cost price here? Cost price is 2,500. So if the cost price is 2,500, he sold for 2,800 and the gain percentage is how much? That is 12%. So in this case also the selling price is greater than cost price. So he got gain here. So this is our 6th to 16th solution. Next is 17th one. A man sold 2 cycles for 3,000 each, gaining 20% on one and losing 20% on other. After selling these 2 cycles, on one he got the gain of 20% and on other he got the loss of 20%. Find the gain or loss percentage on the total transaction. On total transaction he got gain or loss, we have to find. So how many cycles he got? He got 2 cycles, each of 30,000. Selling price of 2 cycles. So selling price 2 cycles is how much? That is 3,000 each. Okay, 3,000 each. Now on one he got the loss of 20% and on other he got the gain of 20%. So gain on first cycle. On first cycle he got gain of 20% and on second cycle he got the loss of 20%. So on total transaction he got the loss or gain, we have to find. So first cycle we are finding for first cycle. So what is the selling price of first cycle here? Selling price is 3,000 and on first cycle he got the gain of 20%. So gain is how much here? Gain is equals to 20%. Now what we have to find? We have to find the cost price. Cost price is equals to CP I am taking. So which formula we have to use? Cost price in terms of gain we have to use. So what is the formula? CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percentage. So this formula we are going to use because we have to find the CP in terms of gain. They have given the gain percentage. So CP is equals to 100 into what is the selling price? 3,000 by 100 plus what is the gain percentage? 20. Now CP is equals to 100 into 3,000 will be equals to 3 lakhs by 100 plus 20 is 120. Okay, now we do cancellation. 0, 0 will get cancelled. Here I am cancelling in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0. 3 fours are 12. Now we can cancel in 4 table. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0. That means what is the cost price here? Cost price is 2,500 rupees. So he bought for 2,500. He sold for 3,000. That means how much gain they got? They got 20% gain. Now we will find for second cycle. For second cycle. So what is the selling price? In this case also selling price is same. That is 3,000. And on this he got the loss of 20%. He got the loss of 20%. Now what we have to find? We have to find the CP value. So which formula we will use? CP in terms of loss we have to find. So what is the formula CP in terms of loss? That is CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percentage. So this is the formula for CP in terms of loss. So CP is equals to 100 into what is the selling price? That is 3,000 by 100 minus loss is how much? 20%. Now CP is equals to that will be 3 lakhs by 100 minus 20 will be 80. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. We can cancel in now 4 table. 4 twos are 8. 4 sevens are 28. 4 fives are 20. 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. Now we can cancel in 2 table. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. 2 sevens are 14. 2 fives are 10. And 2 zeros are 0. So what is the cost price here? 3,750 rupees. So he bought for 3,750, but he sold for only 3,000. That means what is the loss percentage there? That is 20%. So on one cycle, the cost price is 2,500. He bought for 2,500 and he sold for 3,000. On other cycle, he bought for 3,750, but he sold for 3,000 only. So now what we have to find? We have to find whether he will get loss or gain. So total cost price will be how much? Total CP of 2 cycles. What is the total CP of 2 cycles here? That will be, first one is 2,500 plus 3,750. So that will be how much here? That will be 6,250. Cost price of 2 cycles is 6,250 rupees. Now what is the total cost of selling price? We will see. Total selling price of 2 cycles. That is, he sold for both for 3,000. That is 3,000 plus 3,000. That will be equals to 6,000 rupees. So in this case, CP value is greater than SP value. CP value is greater than SP value. So he will get what? Loss or gain? That is loss. So what is the formula for loss? Loss is equals to CP minus SP. So loss is equals to, what is the CP value? CP value is 6,250 and selling price is 6,000. So how much loss he got? That is 250 rupees loss he got. Now for this loss, we have to find the loss percentage. So how to find the loss percentage? Loss percentage is equals to loss by CP into 100. So loss percentage is equals to, loss is how much? 250 by CP is how much? 6,250. 6,250 into 100. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. In 5 table, 5 5s are 25. 5 20, 125s are 5 125s are 625. Again cancel in 5 table. 5 1s are 5 25s are 125. So how much you got? You got it as 100 by 25. So cancel it again in 5 table. 5 5s are 25. 5 20s are 100. 5 1s are 5 4s are. So what is the loss percentage here? 4%. Therefore, loss percentage is equals to 4%. So on first cycle, the CP value is 2,500. He bought for 2,500. He sold for 3,000. In second cycle, he bought for 3,750, but he sold for 3,000. So what is the total CP value? That is 2,500 plus 3,750. That will be equals to 6,250. And what is the total selling price here? 3,000 plus 3,000 will be equals to 6,000. So in this case, CP value is greater than SP. So he will get loss value. So what is the loss formula? CP minus SP. So CP value is 6,250 minus selling price is 6,000. So if you subtract this, that will be equals to 250. Now loss percentage. How to find the loss percentage? Loss by CP into 100. So loss value is 250. CP value is 6,250 into 100. Do cancellation and you will get the loss percentage as 4%. Now next exercise will start tomorrow. Thank you.